In this video, I am going to show you how to add your Facebook link to YouTube channel. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on your profile icon. On your profile, you have to tap on the three dots that are present right beside your edit profile. Now from here, you have to scroll down and tap on copy profile link. Once you do that, your profile link will be copied. So now you have to open up your YouTube Studio application and log into your YouTube channel. On your channel, you have to tap on the profile icon, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. On your profile, you have to tap on the pen icon, which is present right beside your username. On your pen icon, you will see an option that says Add Links. On that option, you have to tap on the pen icon again. Now over here, you very simply have to tap on Add. Now in Add, you have to enter Facebook in title. Then in URL, you have to paste your link that you copied from Facebook. Once you're done, you have to tap on Done. Then press on Save, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. So once you do that, you will be able to easily add your Facebook link to your YouTube channel. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.